Welcome to the new age. How you feeling today?
I feel pretty good, sir. How about yourself?
Let's get straight into it. We talking about the Delta variant. How do you feel as though it will affect the stock market? I got some headlines right here from the Financial Times. It says European stocks waver as oil slips on growing Delta variant worries. Another headline that says Asian shares fall as Delta variant casts shadow over growth. So, what's your feelings on the Delta variant affecting the stock market?
The U.S. stock market.
Yes.
Um, I think you'll see heightened volatility in the market. I think it'll be affected in that way. Um, Stocks going up and down as we've been seeing, over the last couple months. But I think it'll be more heightened.
Mm-hmm.
So you'll see bigger dips.
Got you. When you say volatility, can you explain what you mean by that?
So price may spike one day, may go up, a certain amount of percentages. And then maybe the next day or 2 days later, it can be a drastic drop.
Got you. So, do you think that the Delta variant has already been priced in as far as the fear factor of it? Because it's an article right here, or let me just say it's another headline right here that says from Forbes, Delta variant impact on stocks likely came and went. So do you feel like the fear of it has already been priced into the stock market?
That's a good question. I feel like we're better prepared because of our past experience of, when the pandemic began. I think that the infrastructure bill will definitely or can definitely be priced into, like the airplane or travel by them allotting so much money and deploying it in those particular sectors. So that'll be interesting to see.
Do you think the country shuts down again, and how does that affect the market?
If the country shuts down again, I absolutely think that if business comes to a halt,
Gotcha.
it absolutely affects the market. But again, I think, some of the sectors that the money is going to, like specifically my favorite crypto
Mm-hmm.
and the blockchain, it also enhances or produces the velocity of money,
Mm-hmm.
the blockchain. So at the same time that business can become to a halt from the traditional or from the way that we're commonly used to, with this new technology, it can speed up how fast money is moving.
Mm-hmm. So, can you give me specific sectors that you think will be affected, good and bad?
I think the FANG stocks benefit, e-commerce, companies like Netflix, um, Facebook, Amazon, Google, all the big companies that benefited from the pandemic before.
Any sleepers?
I think the AI sector,
Mm.
robotics, AI, I think biotech, I think all of those will have tremendous success and
Mm-hmm.
growth. There's growth opportunity in those sectors.
Got you. And as far as affected from a negative standpoint.
Negative if some of those same companies are, of course, the restaurant industry, the same way it was impacted before. Cheesecake is on the stock exchange. Domino's benefited a great deal because of Uber Eats, the delivery services.
Right.
But like the sit-in restaurants that are on the stock exchange, I think they'll suffer again. They'll take a major hit. if you're not transitioning into the digital world,
Right.
I believe you'll be heavily impacted and affected by these viruses.
Right. Another sleeper that I think could do really well is crypto mining stocks.
Okay.
I think we're starting to see crypto rise again. I think crypto really, really had its run in 2020, seen all-time highs in 2021 as well. And I think if the Delta variant starts to creep back up and becomes more impactful, headlines keep coming out, the fear keeps rising, I think crypto still starts to run again and starts to reach all-time highs again. And I think the crypto mining stocks see another big run.
That's good. That's a
Yeah.
good assessment. Let me ask you this. Should investors be in the market while it's volatile? What's your take on that?
Good question.
And I asked that before you answer it because, oftentimes in times past, the narrative is that money flees the market, in lieu of, crisis or the fear of crisis. So what's your take on it based off your personal experience and everything?
I think so. Ask your question one more time.
Should investors be in the market while it's volatile?
I think investors should. That should never be a question.
Okay.
I think investors should be in the market whether it's going down or whether it's going up.
Mm-hmm. So why you say that?
The thing about being in the market is seizing opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
And you can do that while it's up and you can do that while it's down. I think it's all about when you seize it, though. And I think when it's volatile, that's when you can pretty much make maybe the most money you ever made. And to be honest, that's how I made most of my money. But I think it's two things: seizing the opportunity, but the opportunity won't be seized if you're not patient. And that's how I made most of my money. So when I first got into AMC, I played it in June, and it was a short-term play.
You mean January? You got into it in January.
Yeah, that's what I said. At least I thought I said that. And then I played it for a short-term play. In February, I lost money.
Mm-hmm.
So I even tried to play it again mid-February and lost money.
Mm-hmm.
So the end of February, I got in and said I'm going to play it till June. I was patient. Played it till June. I seen the most money I've ever seen. So that just comes from being patient and having conviction. Mm-hmm. Everybody wants it now. It's not going to come that way. When you in a volatile market, you don't have to get in a play 1 week and be out of it the next week or 2 weeks or a month. My thing in a volatile market as we are in now, you have to be patient. You can't have the 1, 2, 3 month mindset. You gotta have the 3, 4, 5, 6 month mindset if you're a trader. Mm-hmm. Now, if you're a long-term investor, I mean, you probably ain't even getting out of bed right now.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So, but if you're a trader or you're looking to get in and out of a specific play or two, I think you should have that mindset of more so of a long-term type of trade.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you think that people should get into crypto in light of everything that's going on?
I do think people should get into crypto. I think they missed a good opportunity, though.
Okay.
Because the retracement. So right now we're starting to see it rip again. I think, again, patience. So right now it's ripping. I will wait to see a little bit of a retracement. I still think it's going to have a nice bull run this next month, 2-3 months. I think you have to wait to see another retracement, though.
So but do the fear of this Delta variant, does it affect the crypto market as alike the way that it may affect the traditional market?
No, that's why I said I believe crypto mining stocks could have a nice run. I think anytime that it's fear in the market, it can affect where the money goes.
Right.
So maybe in the short term, it may stifle, crypto a little bit. But
Okay.
if anything, I think it enhances it because the Delta variant doesn't take anything from digital currency. If anything, it takes away from fiat currency. So I believe it's a good opportunity to get in crypto, and was a better opportunity to get in crypto 2-3 weeks ago.
Okay. Got you.
Yeah. Any more questions?
No, I don't have nothing else. I just wanted to hear your take on it.
Yeah. So welcome to the new age. Thanks for your support. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be back tomorrow.